Good morning, Jackson, where great things are always happening.
Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Everyone please be seated.
Track tryouts continue today. Be dressed out and ready to go on the track by 3:15.
If you have any questions, talk to Mr. McKenney, Mr. Neese, or Ms. Salazar.
Friday, March 11th, there will be an SSA meeting during lunch. A lunch will be in room 116. B lunch will be in counseling area.
If you signed up for season family passes to explore with Ms. Kirschman, please stop by her room 501 to pick them up.
It's Run for the Zoo time! Sign-up forms are in Miss Glennon's room 109 and in the office. Students are $12 and adults are $30.
Put together a group and walk or run to support our fabulous zoo and biopark on May 1st.
You can sign up online and still be part of the Jackson family at runforthezoo.org using the school code JMRUN. See Miss Glennon for more information. Here's the word of the week. The word of the week is masticate.
Masticate is a verb that means to chew.
Remember to properly masticate your food so you don't choke.
Here's your positive quote of the week.
Believe You Can and You're Halfway There by Theodore Roosevelt.
We're selling Jackson hoodies!
Show your Jackson pride. Buy a Jackson hoodie, now only $15. See Mr. McKenney in room 111.
Anyone who orders a yearbook gets 2 free pages that can be customized with your year's happenings. They print in your yearbook only. Don't lose out, order now. See Ms. Glennon or go online to treering.com. If you take pictures of events that could be used in the yearbook, please email them to Ms. Glennon at glennon@aps.edu.
Mr. Kendall is planning ski and snowboard trips for March 12th and 19th. See him for more information.
Cost is $55 for teens and $60 for adults, including transportation.
Mondays and Wednesdays from 3:15 to 4:15, Mr. Kendall and Mr. Haney are having science tutoring.
On Tuesdays from 7:30 to 8:15 a.m., Mr. McKenney is having math tutoring, and from 3:15 to 4:15 p.m., Miss Lunsford is having book club.
On Wednesdays and Thursdays, Miss Lunsford is having language arts tutoring from 3:15 to 4:15, and on Wednesdays, Miss Saldana is having Pinterest Club from 3:15 to 4:15.
On Tuesdays and Thursdays, Miss Calloway is having math tutoring from 3:15 to 4:15 p.m., and on Thursdays, Mr. Bowen is having comics and cartooning club from 3:15 to 4:15 p.m.
On Fridays, Miss Glennon is having technology club from 7:30 to 8:15 a.m.
Today's lunch is chicken smackers.
Just a reminder, stay out of the halls in the morning and during lunch.
Teachers, please check accountability cards.
And also check dress code.
Be kind and work hard.
This is Jackson's announcement team.
Have a Jacktastic day!